Using Printful with Etsy allows you to sell custom print-on-demand products without holding inventory. Here's how to set it up. Create accounts. Sign up for a Printful account at printful.com and create an Etsy account if you don't already have one. Integrate Printful with Etsy. Log into your Printful dashboard. Navigate to the integration section and select Etsy. Follow the prompts to connect your Etsy shop to Printful. You will need to authorize Printful to access your Etsy account. Choose products. In the Printful dashboard, browse to the product catalog. Select items like t-shirts, mugs, or wall art that you want to offer in your Etsy store. Design your products. Use Printful's design tools to upload your artwork and create product mockups. Make sure your designs meet Printful's requirements. Set up product listings. Once your products are designed, import them directly to your Etsy store. Customize product titles, descriptions, and pricing to match your brand. Manage orders. When customers place orders on Etsy, Printful automatically fulfills and ships them, allowing you to focus on marketing and customer engagement.